Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you guys tired of Wi-Fi dead zones at home and workplace? We have a solution for it. In today's video we discuss complete setup of the Cabepow Wi-Fi Range Extender using the WPS push button. This setup process contains only 2-minute setup. Whether you're setting it up for the first time or reconfiguring it, this guide makes the process quick and hassle-free. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful. Firstly, insert the Cabepow Extender into a wall socket near your router. Wait for the power LED to turn solid, about 20 to 30 seconds. Find the WPS button on your wireless router. The button may be labeled WPS or WPS/reset, or it may show the WPS symbol, 2 arrows forming a circle. Press the WPS button once. After pressing it, the router will remain in WPS pairing mode for about 2 minutes. Within 2 minutes, press the WPS button on the Cabepow Extender. The LED on the extender will start blinking. Wait for about 30 to 60 seconds. When setup is successful, the LED becomes solid, stable. Sometimes a signal/Wi-Fi light will turn on. This means the extender has copied your router's Wi-Fi settings. Open Wi-Fi settings on your phone/laptop. You will see your Wi-Fi_ext, or sometimes same name as router. Connect using your same Wi-Fi password. Open browser, Chrome, YouTube, etc. Check if internet is working. If yes, then this setup is successfully complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.